Hello friends, welcome to Twin Sisters Country Cooking Channel. Today I want to make glorified rice. It's a dish my mother used to serve, and you can either do it as a dessert or make it as a side. I think we always had it as a dessert right after dinner. So I'm pretty excited to make it. It's been a while, and so let's get started. We're going to start off with leftover rice. This rice was 2 cups when I put it in here, so I want to use all of it. So I know it's going to be a little more than 2 cups, but 2 cups just doesn't seem like a whole lot. Okay, so we want to add our sugar. We have vanilla and the pineapple. This is crushed pineapple, drained. To mix this up as best as I can. We're going to add Cool Whip, Maraschino Cherries, and mini marshmallows. Alright, here's our maraschino cherries. Put in our marshmallows too. You can either use Cool Whip or you can whip heavy whipping cream to make a Cool Whip. That's it. That's all we had to do, is just mix it together. So, well folks, that was a very simple recipe, and all you need is leftover rice and a few other ingredients. It's time to do our taste test. That's the most enjoyable time. We have a beautiful rice salad. I threw some chopped pecans on it too, so we'll just try a little bite with everything in it. You even have to have the maraschino cherry and the pineapple. Oh, that was so good. That reminded me of home. Well folks, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you like our channel, could you please hit that like button, ring the bell, and subscribe. As you know, it helps out our channel. And you have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.